Hello, everyone. My name is Angelica Martinez, and I am from the University of Texas at Rio Grande Valley. Today, I will be presenting Research Productivity of UTRGV Health Professions faculty. This is in collaboration with Ms. Nadine Salhadar, who is also from the University of Texas at Rio Grande Valley. Health professions faculty research productivity is important to understand, and it is essential for improving health outcomes, providing accurate data for innovations, and advancing the evidence-based practice for HP professions. Current research has also shown that relative to faculty with lower research productivity, faculty with higher research productivity are more likely to have achieved tenure status, be on tenure track, be male, have allocated time for research, have higher self-efficacy, be in doctoral granting programs, be at institutions where reward systems are integrated in place and align with research engagement, and have obtained internal or external funding support. This can be either from their institutions or from external resources. However, much of what we know today and much of the research has focused on non-HP disciplines. This leaves us with knowing very little about HP disciplines. Understanding factors impacting productivity can help identify potential strategies to promote a strong research culture within HP units. The purpose of the study is to better understand research productivity of HP faculty, as measured by the H-index at the University of Texas at Rio Grande Valley, which we will refer to as UTRGV. The purpose of the study is also to examine associations between research productivity, faculty demographic, and academic characteristics. In this research, we define HP faculty as those from the College of Health Professions, School of Nursing, School of Social Work, and the Department of Psychological Science. In February of 2025, we identified UTRGV HP faculty with the following ranks. Faculty who are tenured and tenure track. This includes assistant, associate, and full professors. And clinical faculty. This includes clinical assistant, clinical associate, and clinical full professors. And for each of these faculty members, we collect the data on their department, gender, academic rank, and highest degree. For comparison reasons, we also collected the same data from faculty from UTRGV's School of Medicine and from those equivalent HP units from the peer institution of the University of Texas at El Paso, which were referred to as UTEP. In February 2025, we also assessed research productivity by using the H-index, which is a bibliometric index that measures the quantity and the quality of a researcher's work. We also ran data analysis and we conducted univariate analysis, which we use the chi-square test and the t-test. And we also ran multivariate analysis, which we use linear regression to examine the association between faculty productivity and their characteristics. Our sample included 188 UTRGV health professions faculty, 133 UTRGV School of Medicine faculty, and 95 UTEP health professions faculty. Health professions unit, whether it was from UTEP or UTRGV, had significantly higher proportions of female compared to UTRGV School of Medicine. Next, we see that compared to UTRGV HP and School of Medicine, UTEP health professions had more PhD holders. We also see that UTRGV School of Medicine had a higher amount of tenured and tenure track compared to UTRGV and UTEP health profession units. As for the H-index, we notice that UTRGV School of Medicine and UTEP health professions had significantly higher mean H indices compared to UTRGV health professions. When we conducted the univariate analysis, it revealed that UTRGV HP male faculty, tenured and tenure track HP faculty, and PhD holders had significantly higher research productivity as measured by the H-index. And this is compared to female UTRGV health professions, clinical health professions, and non-PhD respectively. When we conducted the multivariate analysis, the linear regression model was between UTRGV and UTEP HP units. It revealed that tenured and tenure-track faculty had significantly higher research productivity compared to clinical faculty. It also revealed that UTRGV HP faculty had significantly lower research productivity compared to UTAB HP. There was also no significant difference in research productivity based on gender and on PhD degree. The four variables here in the multivariate analysis also explain 29% of the variation in the H-index. Our findings indicate that HP faculty in tenured and tenure-track positions with allocated research time have higher research productivity compared to those who have teaching workloads and clinical allocations. In addition, UTRGV HP faculty report lower research productivity when compared to the peer institution of UTAB. All of these findings underscore the importance of having institutional level efforts to further support current tenure and tenure trainer faculty through formal mentorship programs and collaborative networks to support research engagement. These findings also underscore the importance of exploring potential collaboration between UTEP and UTRGV HP leaders to examine best practices and how to nurture a more rigorous HP culture here at UTRGV. For this research, the study limitations stem primarily from the H-index. The H-index does not take into consideration female faculty's last name if they have any changes, or changes in university affiliation, hospital-affiliated accounts, and different UTRGV accounts under other campuses. The H-index is also best suited when compared to indices of faculty within the same discipline. However, for this research, we did compare H indices across several different disciplines. For this research, I would like to acknowledge that it was supported by the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases of the National Institute of Health under Strong Award. The content is solely the responsibility of the authors and does not necessarily represent the official views of the National Institute of Health. If you would like to contact us or if you have any more questions regarding this research, feel free to please contact us at the email provided on screen. Thank you.